video has been sponsored by King Maps, 5Guard, and Just Scripts. Check their website in the description.
Hey everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install an advanced chess system into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which you are going to install into FiveM server. The link will be in the description below. These are the dependencies of the script. Make sure to install them all. You just have to click over here and get the script into your ESX portal and download the script. After downloading it, we will receive these two files. We just install them into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be installing them over here. Just like this. Now open the DRC chess folder. Go to shared. Then config.lua. So this is the configuration of the script over here. In the new ESX section, I'll be changing the true into false. And these are the locations of the table over here. I'll be keeping them default for now. You can change the locations according to your preference. And there are some small configurations over here. You can configure them according to your preference. So I'll be keeping them default for now. So that's all for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in the server now. And this is the location of both the chessboard over here. And this is the location in the map. Now let's use this chessboard. Use your target eye over here. Then click on play chess. If you want to play with AI, you just to select the difficulty of the game. Or if you want to play with real player, then you just to click on the wait for player. So as I'm solo in this server, so I'll be playing with AI. So I'll be selecting the easy level. So as you can see, the chess has been set now. Let's start our game. As you can see, by clicking in this button, you can withdraw the game. Believe me, this is one of the best script out there for your FiveM server. So that is for today's video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.